Good job. That was a fantastic strike.
กำปั้นเอาแต่ละวัน2 3ว้าวเอาข้าฮิอันทัชละเอาข้าเฮ้ข้าเฮ้ชัดข้ามาเจริญข้านางาเดียมาเจริญไล่ปลาปะทงมุยโดอ่ะ
อย่าวันนี้สู้เฮียไปป่าสองเพชรช่วยปลาหังเฮียอาเทียมหนึ่งตัวอย่ากูเทียมันต้องทำสุขไทยมันต้องเรา So how is the floor? How's the mat? Is it wet? Content talama. Chopi, takoma. Nan tuang ka takaw te. Antan suak to alin pa fon le. Rakan ngai tiamo. Okay, you guys gonna have 5 minutes break of water. Not yet though, not yet. In 5 minutes, you guys gonna have a water break. Minute pa nga water break na lako. Laksong to rakchwari me wa.
Laksong hao he.
Rakchwaru yu. Siya. Tuang bak na churi te.
Venuzo kaput tel sang boy tong ne chile club treasurer ni zakat lak so chwa ka เรลโลสิเรลโลค่ะค่ะค่ะ
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Almost, almost.
ค่ะ
Wow.
ค่ะค่ะไล่พระมาเจอเลียนnaga kan kaliwa akan taicang atu kan in kuna akan taitan achon sekhoti lalo he ka ma chele he chat pi lai pa pathong mai lo bang kan in kunia akan taitan achon nakara ma kan ngam ti lo hi ka atu akan taitan achon naka kan ti lo tha ba lo tikat man lam heu se anga ti lo in kun man akan tai akan chon hoi kun akan chon kan sut khoti la lo kan tai lai ma chel lian ka ma chel cha ka ba au ta lai wa ya au sa i dina pol ro nei lo mo
Nungak lokan si.
ka
Anaw ngam lao, nungak lokan si.
ka Venuzo, come on, you got it. Ka chel pi ma chel lian
Okay, minit pangating le, nang batuk di kantihan ng tiyato ng dingkaw. Isa. 2020 CYO and Paih Championship.
Adicha.
Winner to Venuzo from Nagaland. Venuzo from Nagaland is the winner.
ka atu ka pondir mi hi chel pi ma chele ka se i chel pi atu na number pe khan atu kha khel ni ti ma kha an tai cha khan ma kha zetin da nai re di man lo mo je pung san da thil kal ning na chenet mo am han ko tin zetin da ne thil long ne fil dan
Atha zang tha ke zong ka chen lai ling pi ka thon lai ling pi sia ka tai bak e ka respect halaya ka zom chin la tha zang ka pe mi ba te nan tha chilao
se
thong da rak gir than la
se chim mi chu che pi zong ne ka te ning am han ko ke ma zong ka chen lai liu bak se ka thon liu bik ma i ka te mi am han ko pat athi mai la ya kai zom chin lai tho thong chin en ka ki lai ti ka che pi chu tam pi ka lom
Venuzo and Venuzo. So congratulations to Venuzo. Thank you very much. All the way from Nagaland people, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us. Now we want to recap a little bit of the wrestle moment. So how does it feel? And how does it feel to compete with the Chin wrestler?
Yeah, first of all, I thank God, the Almighty God. Yeah, and secondly, my supporters, my families, my leaders, and prayer warriors. Thank you. And yeah, it was my lucky day, I would say, yeah.
A man with short words, but very, very meaningful. Venuzo, is there anything that you want to add to the moment, the convention, the wrestling, and your overall visit here and the wrestling moment?
Yeah, it was a memorable journey. We enjoyed a lot the programs and all the activities that happens this tournament. And regarding the wrestling, we know that it's going to be a very tough competition, and we come prepared for that. But honestly, long journey and then change of rest and the diet. I have a little doubt in my mind whether he can really pull up or not. But I'm so happy that he could make it. His opponent is Manchin Liu. Is a very tough guy. He has his physical advantage and then also his experiences. So I was a little bit how it will be like, and I can see, though he is confident, but I don't find him at his level best. Yeah, so yeah, winning is we are very happy, and we are very grateful to the team people for all the support and help extended to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Venuzo. Last but not least, I just want to ask if there was another opportunity to wrestle in Chin traditional wrestling in the U.S., are you guys open to that opportunity, and how soon?
Yes, before we come here, we were informed that either 7 or 8 we may have another competition. So we hope that that is going to be happened, but I don't know whether that is planned or not. We are also in discussion with the WPC that we will have another competition in November. We are happy for, we are grateful to them for extending their invitation to us. So we will go back and then we will discuss, and we will discuss in details. And yeah, sure, we have a lot of friends, our fans waiting home for the results. We don't know whether they have viewed in the PPV or not, because the timing of the competition and the cost of PPV is not very much possible for many of our fans back home. Anyway, we dedicated our winners to all of our fans in back home. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Venuzo. Thank you very much, Venuzo. Thank you very much for joining us at CYONA convention, and we hope to see you guys again. Any last word?
Thank you.
Thank you very much, guys.
Yeah, thank you so much.